Flame in this bitch. Yeah, in the bros, nitro. You already know. With the nice flow, let's go. You know I made mine. Hey, damn right, you know I made mine. Hey, shit, you know I made mine.
Let me show you why they enjoy this spot so much where they're eating right now. The first thing they do is they climb to the top. And when we get up here, you can see the view. Do the goats enjoy the view? Yes, absolutely. They spend just about as much time staring out at the ocean as they do view. So they position themselves in such a way that they can eat and then lay down. Let's take a walk, guys. Come on, goats. Come on, guys. Let's go, goats. So we are in Newport. We're at one of our favorite places. We arrived today. This is where I'll be doing the repairs for the brakes. I'm gonna be here for, I think, 2 weeks. So we got a lot to do. And I have to get back to the sanctuary so that we can get some repairs done on the GoatTote, so that can go out with our new herder, Chris. But at the moment, let's take a tour of where we are. The goats will help show us around. Hey, Holly. Holly's gonna take the lead. All right. Everybody likes to run down this hill. One of their favorite things to do. Yeah, I'll run and play on the hill. Pretty. Oh. Hi, Jay. No, I wasn't in the way, right? Oh, there's Luna up there. Luna's having fun running down the rocks, but she can't run down the grassy safe spot. No, can't do that. So this is it. This is the lower section of the area. And we may do the other side at the end. We might do a quick run over there just to get some of the poison ivy back. Knock some of that down. Hey guys. Whoa, Richie. Should probably look where you jump. Nice job, guys. You having fun? Everybody loves it here? Oh, Tina. Everybody's trying to play with Tina. Everybody gets very playful here and then they just relax. It's a very relaxing spot for the goats to be. Alright guys, you want to continue on our walk? Come on. This is just one trip around, goats. Come on. Hi guys. See the goat coach up there? Up there. And I heard, now I've only seen this once, and it was actually here on the other side on that hill. There was a poison ivy tree. It wasn't growing like a vine, it was an independent tree. I have a few pictures of it somewhere. But Jackie told me that there might be a poison ivy tree growing over here. And if there is, I'd like to dig it up and put it in a pot. Because it's something I've never seen before. And yeah, here we are approaching it. The goats are probably going to eat it before I get a chance to do that. But this is very interesting. This is all poison ivy, but it grows straight up because of the wind. It gets harder than normal. I mean, that's my theory, but it will actually grow quite tall. And so much of my plan for putting one of them in a pot. As you can see, the goats are going to eat them before I get a good chance to do that. I've never seen coyotes here, but we do know they're around. I just think when the goats are here, the coyotes feel it's probably in their best interest to stay away. These guys will go after a coyote. Here we are back at the goat coach. Minnie's goat coach. That's where we live, huh guys? That's our house. That's our home. I mean, I guess it's not technically a house, it's a home. Take a walk past the goat coach. Come on guys. Take a walk past the goat coach. In the back there's grain. They know this. Wanting me to stop there is first grain. But yesterday we had a few breakouts and they got grain. They got 2 servings of grain, so they're gonna have to go tonight without. And this is it. This is where we'll be for the next 2 weeks. And if we finish up on this hill, we'll head across. Oh, and a big surprise, on July 12th, PBS is coming to shoot some video of us. PBS from here in Rhode Island. They do an animal show with a friend of ours who's the host, and they're going to be filming us at least at this location, possibly at different locations, and can't wait for that. That's pretty exciting. We're going to be on TV.